Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Trust Wallet app work perfectly fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi Fi, spins endlessly, or shows a connection error? Here's the iPhone settings fix. Go to Settings app and then tap Wi Fi. Find the connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap the little letter I in a circle on the right side of your network's name. Tap Forget this network and confirm. Now, tap the Wi-Fi toggle at the very top to turn it off. Wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears the broken network session Trust Wallet was stuck on. After reconnecting, open the Trust Wallet app again. If it still fails on this network but works on mobile data, go to Settings, go to General, then scroll down to VPN and device management and check if any VPN is showing as connected. Even a previously disabled VPN can still show as active here and block Trust Wallet. Disconnect anything listed. So all you gotta do is go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh. Check VPN and device management for anything active. Trust Wallet will connect on Wi-Fi and that's it. Subscribe.